I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by placing the paper on a flat, stable surface and taping one edge so it won't shift. Next, set the compass legs to the desired radius using a ruler. This fixes the distance between needle and pencil, so your circle's size is accurate. Insert a sharp pencil and confirm the needle tip is clean. This creates a precise center point. Once done, press the needle gently into the center mark. Steady pressure prevents slipping and keeps the pivot true. You now plant the needle firmly at your center point and grip the compass at the top hinge to maintain a constant radius. Holding the legs causes wobble. Start the stroke slowly, then maintain a steady, continuous motion. This prevents jagged lines and ensures the pencil follows a true arc. Keep equal downward pressure so the pencil leads and needle share the load. If the line skips, slightly increase pressure or resharpen the pencil. Make a full revolution without lifting for a smooth circle. You finish by inspecting and refining the circle. Retrace once if the line is faint and erase any center smudge carefully so the pivot point remains visible. If the circle is off because of a slip, reposition the needle exactly at the center mark and redraw. Using a light guide helps align the second pass. If the radius changed mid-draw, tighten the hinge or replace a dull pencil. These fixes restore consistent distance and prevent repeat errors next time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.